YouTube intro is what the viewers are going to see first. That might attract or interest someone to get to know you more on your channel or what your channel is all about. And make sure your intro tells someone from the very first 15 seconds what your channel is all about. That makes it easier for someone to know if he or she is interested in such channels or content. If you can do it yourself to look professional, it's better. But if you cannot, like I could not myself, I got someone to do it for me, and I'll be reviewing to you guys in this video where and how I got it done and how much it costs. Okay, so stay tuned. For right now, I'm going to pause here and play my YouTube intro. So if you're interested, you stay tuned to get the proper information. Okay. Yes, so that was my YouTube intro I'm talking about right here in this video. Stay tuned. So I'll be using my phone because I intend to show you guys where and how I did it. You might want to go to your Play Store and you type this name right here. This is the name of the app. It is called Fiverr, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It has a green box with white writings inside. Let's go. So here is the app. I'm going to click it. Have you seen it? Yeah. This app is where you get freelancer, web designers, or whatever it is they call themselves. They are all here sampling what they can do for you. So in order to just make your search easier, just go to the search button right there and type YouTube intro. If you want to do a YouTube intro, you see a lot. Sorry, I just clicked something without knowing. See, there are a lot of designs. They are telling you the price. This one is, for example, they say create custom YouTube intro, outro, or logo animation from $10, $10 US, $20 US. Just go through and see what you like, depending on what your channel is all about. And the moment you find something interesting within your price range, for example, let's use this one right here. For example, you click it, it's going to come here and show you the person who is designing it for you. The person's picture will always be here. And create YouTube intro and outro video. I will create 2D and 3D intro and outro videos for your YouTube videos with your channel name or logo. Please explain about your channel brand, feel, etc. in 2 lines. It helps me to understand your requirements and style for intro and outro videos. So you just go through, and I'll come back here. So yeah, I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys my screen, if that really helped. So now, once you find a particular YouTube intro, there are lots that will come out. Just play it and see. It's not always normally 15 seconds. Just play them and see what works for you. The moment you see something that you really like, just click it and you'll get to the whole details about the person, the name of the designer, everything is there. The person is going to tell you what it entails and the different prices. They normally have a price range from $10, $15, $20. Some even have $5. But right now it will be the same particular intro you have seen for those different amounts, but then there is difference in quality. I would advise you go for the $20. That is what I used, $20 offer, because I asked the person what is the difference from $10 to $20 or $15. He said it's the same thing, but the difference is quality wise will be 100% if that is the maximum amount he or she has in that particular place. So I took the offer in that particular designer I was talking about. His highest figure was $20, so I went in for $20. I was like, okay, I'm interested, I like this intro, can you do it for me? What does it require? He's going to say, okay, I'm going to send you an invoice. You get to chat with the person in that particular app, and you tell the person what you want. You can give the person your social media links, Facebook, Instagram, because he's going to use it to put it on the intro. And you send pictures that you want to him or her to use in that intro. You send a couple of pictures, in fact send as many as possible, so he can choose the quality that will be great for that particular intro. Because even if they use high quality tech for bad images, it's not going to pop up that much. You get to pay the by accepting the invoice he sends you. You pay the fee there, and within 2-3, depending on how busy the person is, he will tell you that, oh, I can deliver your work in 2 days time or in a 3 days time, but no more than a week, guys. Your YouTube intro will be ready and good to go. So once you have done that, in that same conversation you guys are having, he is going to send in a sample for you to check if you're okay with it. Once you're okay, you check the intro that he has done using your pictures and everything. If there's any mistake, you can tell him to correct, but if it's okay, you guys are done with that transaction and you're good to go. You can download that into your computer or your desktop and you start using it on your videos, and this will be a game changer for you. And a lot of YouTubers, a lot of viewers, a lot of subscribers always comment on my YouTube intro, so that is where I got it done, guys. I did mine for $20. Don't take the one for $5. I will not advise you. You can take from $15 to $20. The quality wise is what I'm talking about. So if this video was helpful to you, or if you were wondering how I did my YouTube video intro, this is where I got it done, and I hope it helps you, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Remember, your intro will get your YouTube channel to grow and makes it look professional. From the very 15 seconds somebody clicks in, he or she can decide if he's subscribing to your channel or not. I love you guys for watching. Until then, I'll catch you guys in my next video.